Hello everyone, I am Taskin Tamboli. I am from CSC branch. Currently I am studying in SYA at SSWCV. Now I am today explaining about Peterson Solution. Firstly, what is Peterson Solution? Peterson Solution is a software-based algorithm used to solve the critical section problem between two processes P0 and P1. And Peterson's solution is handle the problem of critical section. Peterson gave an algorithm with a bounded weighting. In these two process solutions, that is P1 and P0, assume that the load and store instruction are atomic, that is cannot be interrupted. The two processes share two variables, int turn and boolean flag. Boolean is 0 and 1. And the variable turn indicate whose turn it is to enter the critical section. The flag array is used to indicate if a process are ready to enter the critical section. Flag I turn implies that process P1 is ready. Suppose there are n process P1, P2 and dash Pn, and each of them at some point need to enter the critical section. The flag array of size n is maintained, which is by default false, and whenever a process need to enter the critical section, it has to set its flag as true. That is, suppose Pi wants to enter, so it will be set flag I true. There is another variable called turn, which indicate the process number which is currently to enter into the critical section. The process that enters into the critical section while exiting would change the turn to another number from among the list of ready processes. This is code. It ensures the mutual exclusion. Only one process can enter critical section at a time and progress. If no one is in the critical section, someone can enter. Bounded waiting. No process waits forever. Flag an array where each process tells whether it wants to enter critical section, and turn a shared variable that tells whose turn it is. Now we discuss step by step. Each process set its flag I turn into show it wants to enter the critical section. It gives the turn to the other process. Then it waits while the other process also wants to enter, and it's the other process turn. Once that condition is false, the process enters the critical section. After finishing, it sets flag I false. Flag what does? Shared array to indicate if a process wants to enter critical section, and turn does shared variable to decide who gets priority if both want it. Then process code for anything process sets flag, gives turn to P1 and waits until safe to enter. Limitation works only for two processes, not suitable for more than two processes without changes. Algorithm for process I. There are three algorithms. First is mutual exclusion is preserved. Second, progress requirement is satisfied. Third, bounded waiting requirement is met. This is code. We are using do while loop, and this is flag. flag I and it is true, turn J, while flag I and turn is double equal to J. Then it is going to critical section and flag I is equals to false, reminder section. Then close with while true. Thank you.